This video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from 1xBet. Start by accessing the 1xBet website or mobile app. Enter your credentials to log into your 1xBet account. Once logged in, look for the menu options, which are usually represented by an icon or your account name, depending on the platform you are using. From the drop-down or list options, select Personal Profile or similarly titled section. Within your Personal Profile page, search for the Withdraw Funds option. This is typically clearly marked and easy to find. Upon clicking on Withdraw Funds, you will be directed to a page where you can specify how much money you wish to withdraw. There should be a slot or field where you can enter the amount. After specifying the withdrawal amount, you will need to select your preferred payment method. 1xBet usually offers a variety of withdrawal options. After entering the amount and selecting your withdrawal method, look for the Withdraw button, which may also be labeled as Confirm, Submit, or something similar. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.